dawg. Don't ride in your bitch like O'Neal, dawg. Shots I shoot like Reggie Mill, dawg. Chopper sting you like.
Activator first. I don't know how much activator I'm gonna need. So I'm just gonna put in how much activator I think I'm gonna need. So that's kind of wild. No, not really making it up. But okay, so I didn't really put in a lot of activator. So now what I'm gonna add in is I'm gonna add in some water. Okay, then I'm gonna go mix. I think this is not gonna work. And then I'm gonna add in the color. I'm gonna try to make it gray. So now I'm adding in that black color. If you're not gonna really need to see it, I'm gonna add in, you know what? We'll add in some blue. Some blue. Go mix it in. Just kinda slowly turn it blue. So now the favorite part, the worst, to find out where's the glue. It's a favorite moment to find out the truth. Will it slide? So now we go mix.
Mills, dawg. Don't ride in your bitch like O'Neal, dawg. Shots I shoot like Reggie Mill, dawg. Chopper sting you like a